a question that I get very frequently is, what do you have for breakfast? ¿Qué comes tú de desayuno? My thing is that once I discover what works for me, I stay with it. So what works for me is oatmeal. And the way I do it is I put my hand inside the bucket of oatmeal, and this amount that I get in my hand, that is gonna be my portion for the day, okay? So you don't need a scale to measure, but this is what works for me. Now, if I feel that after I had this portion of oatmeal, I'm hungry, or I don't have a great workout, then I probably will add a little bit of more carbohydrate. This is one of my carbohydrates. So what do I do then? I get a wrap in the morning, take my punch of oatmeal, and then I put it in here, and it takes up hot water. You know, it's gonna be boiling in a few minutes. And let me get a spoon here. So here's my, it will cook for about, it's old-fashioned oatmeal. I don't get anything instant that you can make it in 3 seconds. I get the old-fashioned oatmeal, and then it cooks for about 5 to 6 minutes. I like it gets very nice and soft. Then when the oatmeal is cooked to my taste, that you can decide how do you want yours, then I add cinnamon, and sometimes, not all the time, a little dash of honey. Very seldom. But if I feel like it, then I have cinnamon always. Cinnamon gives my oatmeal a sweet taste. So it's only when I want an extra taste of oatmeal, I mean the sweetness in my oatmeal, then I add a little bit of good honey. Okay, so this is my breakfast every single day, and I eat it right before I go to the gym. Este es mi desayuno todos los días. Y yo lo como antes de ir al gimnasio. ¿Cuál es mi desayuno? Yo cojo un puño de avena, lo pongo aquí en el agua caliente, se cocina por unos 5 o 6 minutos. Después que la avena está cocida, entonces le añado un poquito o la cantidad que a mí me guste de canela, y de vez en cuando le añado un poquito de miel. Ese es mi desayuno diario. So, that is, I don't change it, and that's what works for me. So, es un carbohidrato, y es un carbohidrato completo para mí. A mí me funciona. Okay, so another question that I get is, what do you eat during the day? So, right after the gym, then I prepare 1 or 2 whole eggs. I add a half a cup or a cup of egg whites. I cook them, right? Let me show you how I cook them so you don't get confused. Let me move. So this is my, my breakfast is the oatmeal is cooking, right? Here we take the oatmeal. Now we're gonna make the meal that I take to the gym every single day. Now, les voy a enseñar lo que yo me llevo para el gimnasio para comerme inmediatamente después de entrenar. So, le añadimos un poquito de aceite de oliva. We added a little bit of olive oil, right? Nice and hot. Then, I take a whole egg, sometimes 2. A veces un huevo, otras veces 2. Depende de mi cuerpo. Everything depends what my body is asking for. Okay, let me put it here. Now, I know exactly sort of what a half a cup of egg white will be. So I just add it, so it covers the whole egg. Nice, beautiful. And then it's gonna be cooked there for about a few minutes, right? And I will add some black pepper. Nice. Beautiful. And here you can see, see how it's cooking the oatmeal? My oatmeal is almost ready. And the eggs is gonna be finished in a few minutes. So I pack my eggs, they go with me to the gym. Los huevos se van conmigo al gimnasio. La avena me la como antes de irme al gimnasio. Y esas son las 2 primeras comidas de la mañana. Además, también a veces me como una fruta. Sometimes I take a banana, a piece of fruit with me. So I do eat fruit. So we talk about that in another video. But for now, what is my breakfast? My breakfast is amazing, beautiful oatmeal that is cooking. And then we're gonna add a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of honey. And then my eggs, 1 whole egg or 2 eggs that I will take to the gym with me. And the 2 eggs, I cook them with half a cup of egg white. With that, I say, pow! You say,